What up, good people? Huge shout out to Checker Flag BMW for allowing me to review the 2025 BMW X1. Today we're introducing the 2025 BMW X1 M35i, a compact SUV that delivered big on style and performance. Wrapped in a stunning alpine white, this powerhouse stands 177 inches long and 64 inches tall, riding on a 106-inch wheelbase and a confident 7-inch ground clearance. Whether it's city streets or winding on back roads, the X1 M35i is built for thrill. Under the hood is the M twin-powered turbo inline four-cylinder, delivering an impressive 313 horses for the torque 295 at 2,000 RPM. This sporty SUV launches from 0 to 60 in just 5.2 seconds with a top speed of 130 miles per hour. While thrilling on the road, it's also efficient, offering 31 mpg on the highway, 23 in the city. Here's the sound of this beast. With in-performance accents that create a more dynamic and athletic presence. Whether you seeking thrilling performance on an open road or navigating your daily grind, the BMW M35i delivers power and practicality. This has an MSRP of $56,000. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats. Right here we are looking at a digital display. On the left and you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your RPM with your engine temp. In the middle you have your MPH. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, you can go through your content, layout, heads up display, and much more. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command alongside your plus and minus pedal shifter. Looking over to the left side of the steering wheel, you have your headlight switch. Looking on the door panel, you have your memory setting with your standard unlock and lock. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here, we are looking at a 10.7-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You have your 360 backup camera. In the center console, you have your wireless charging pad with your cup holder area. You have your engine start-stop button. You have your shift lever. This particular model is a 7-speed dual clutch. Right behind the shift lever, you have your electronic parking. Now we're making our way inside of the center console. Wow, you have no space. We then made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS Safety Connect. Now we are making our way to the back of the vehicle. We are also greeted with black leather seats. You have your air vent with your 2 USB outlets. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 25.7 cubic feet with all the seats folded down, measuring at 46.9 cubic feet. Wow, you can put a couple of golf clubs back here. Once again, huge shout out to Checker Flag BMW for allowing me to review the 2025 BMW X1. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.